We all know ChatGPT's free plan is great, but the Plus plan, that's where the magic really happens. The only catch is it costs $20 a month, and the Pro plan is a whopping $200. But what if I told you there's a way to use ChatGPT Plus for free, completely legit, thanks to Oxum's AI workshop? Let me show you how. First, check your current ChatGPT account and confirm you're on the free plan. Once you've done that, log out. Now open a new tab and head over to oxaam.com. Creating an account is super quick. Just fill in your details, hit register, and you're in. No email confirmation or waiting around. On the homepage, you'll see they offer access to a bunch of premium software at prices way lower than normal. But for today, we're sticking with ChatGPT. Look for the button that says click here for CGAI. That's your ticket in. When you click it, you'll see an email and password for Oxum's shared ChatGPT Plus account. Copy the email, paste it into ChatGPT's login page, and click Continue. When it asks for a password, just grab it from Oxum and paste it in. ChatGPT will then send a one-time password to Oxum's inbox. Jump back to Oxum, open that OTP email, copy the code, paste it into ChatGPT, and you're all set. Boom, you now have full access to ChatGPT Plus through Oxum's shared workshop account. Keep in mind, it's a team workspace, so you'll be sharing with others. If you ever want your own private account, Oxum has some seriously affordable upgrade options too. If this helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorial.